Welcome back to another vlog. This is truly my unemployment era. Anyways, today I'll be meeting my secondary school friends and we'll be going bowling. So it's the first time that we have all our partners together and all of us together doing something. And it's literally been so long since we've met. Also, I'm having mangoes for breakfast, and my aunt recently came back from Bangkok and she brought back like fresh mangoes, and it never occurred to me that I could do that. Like I never knew why I didn't just bring home the damn mangoes. So this time when I go to Thailand, which is in like 14 days, I will bring back the darn mangoes. Yes, so mango. Oh, and you know what is really good? The Pokka zero sugar tea. Can I just say, it is a lifesaver. As someone that is not a Coke Zero fan, the zero sugar Pokka series, right, has saved my life and will be part of my journey of weight loss. Even though this journey is tough and I'm not losing a lot of weight, but I think it aids in weight loss. Thank you for listening. We are late, so we are dogs. For context, I will add in the WhatsApp message. And CB is here. Hello. Oh, I'm excited to see who we will see first. We see nobody. Oh my god, guys, it's Naya and Nicole. Everybody say hello to the vlog.
Hello vlog.
Wow.
Everybody, we got 2 lanes. Naya, yes. How do you feel right now?
I am gonna fucking lose, but it's okay.
Actually, we can use that one.
No, we're not fucking losing that
We
one.
can use that one. The men are there, and then where's Nicole? Babe. Wait relax how do you feel? How do you feel about?
Great to be playing with balls again.
He loves balls. And Sean, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Are you gonna win?
Hell yeah.
How are you feeling?
I also got interview one.
How are you feeling?
Tired?
Will you win or lose?
Lose.
Okay, so the guys are gonna play a game. That means you go first, Nicole husband go first. CSB Stone.
I'm second.
And you're third, good job, high five. Okay, no pressure, but we see you go first.
Say anything.
Got commentary.
I don't say anything.
You can say anything.
Okay.
What you say?
Watch out. I'm coming after your ass. Wow, that was so straight
You know everything, is it?
No, I'm not. You gotta do stuff, baby.
Speech.
Sorry.
Calm.
I'm calm.
Wow, really?
I'm calm. So I realized I've been recording on slow motion. I don't know if I'll get any footage back. Okay, interview again.
About what this time?
Like how you feel, your butthole pain all. We have changed location.
Sticks and balls.
Sticks and balls. Thoughts and prayers.
For pool this time, I am absolutely horrendous at this.
How close?
I'm not used to it
Thoughts and prayers, Naya.
I have all thoughts, no prayers.
Thank you for sharing. Sean, thoughts and prayers
For who?
for this.
I hope we don't get kicked out for being too noisy.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you for sharing. What the fuck is this?
We won't get kicked out.